My last words for Tibetans is this. That is, young one, especially, don't give up hope. It looks like lost cause, of course, and many Western people think it is, but it's not just because His Holiness is worldwide popular. It's also because the information age on the planet, and Facebook and Instagram and this kind of thing, you know, the low-class people, they can see what King Charles has for dinner in Instagram. And so everybody knows everything. So the oppressiveness of the conquering colonialist power is obsolete, actually. And, you know, because of the ecology, because of information age, because of the network of people knowing about each other, the sort of regional ecological politics will occur. And unfortunately, people who live at sea level in Beijing and Shanghai, they do not know how to take care of Tibetan Plateau. So the local self-control of people, local autonomy everywhere, even North and South China, Shanghai and Beijing and Manchukuo and Harbin, they will be more local. And you won't have this kind of colonial central capital making stupid decisions in other countries. For example, in Lhasa today, the sun doesn't rise till 10 a.m. because they insist that you have to be on Beijing time in like 5 time zones away. It's ridiculous. It's just stupid. It's like California would have to be on New York time, and therefore the sun is all disorganized with the clock. So this is the trend of history that is inalterable. And so Tibet will definitely be free. And then your culture will be admired, even by Chinese, like a jewel of how to live better and be more happy. So don't give up hope and learn your Tibetan. And Lama la jiao su qiu, Sanje la jiao su qiu, Che la jiao su qiu, Genzo la jiao su qiu. And that is not something backward and superstitious and whatever. It's realistic. The Buddha Dharma is based on reality, not based on just some superstition. So don't give up hope is the key. Of course, His Holiness is telling you all the time. And I'm one Inji also saying so. You know, I'm American, but you call me Inji, but that's okay. All right? So, Tuji Che.